Hi YouTube, it's the 12th of the 4th, 2012, and I have an update on the Indonesian earthquake in the province of Aceh. And the number of dead being reported is 5 people. Indonesian disaster officials are relieved that more did not die in yesterday's 2 big earthquakes, which did not trigger a tsunami. The 5 deaths are being blamed on heart attacks and shock, the BBC reports, and only a handful of people were hurt. After an earthquake in the same province, Aceh triggered a tsunami in 2004 where 70,000 people were killed. The difference? In 2004, one tectonic plate slipped underneath another, whereas yesterday the plates rubbed against each other along their sides, scientists explain. So far, less water was displaced. And I'll attach a CNN video explaining about the different types of earthquakes and what damage they incur, according to CNN. Thanks, YouTube.